Hey guys, want to tell you about an exciting new product that is just flying off the shelves. This is our number one seller for those of you experiencing fatigue of any kind. It targets the mitochondria. It's called ATP Boost. This targeted formula supports mitochondria, crucial for energy production. Those are the little powerhouses in your cells that make your energy. The ingredients are designed to support the production of ATP, which is that currency that drives our energy, the primary source of fuel for your cells. This can contribute to overall improved cellular health and function, even improve sleep, which is kind of counterintuitive to this increase in energy production that you feel during the day. It's got a few key ingredients I want to tell you about, including NT-factor, a patented blend of phospholipids and glycolipids that supports those membrane of cells, the mitochondrial membrane, which gets damaged over time with oxidative stress and things that we get exposed to day to day. It has CoQ10 and PQQ, which are the top two forms of the ubiquinol CoQ10 to get into the mitochondria. It also contains some of my favorite secret ingredients for the mitochondria, thiamine B1 and riboflavin B2, absolutely critical for the mitochondria to perform and create ATP. And it also contains a few essential vitamins and nutrients that we know improve mitochondrial function. We've seen it improves energy levels. Patients love this. The dose is 3 capsules, and patients can take 3 capsules in the morning and sometimes even another dose in the afternoon. It improves cellular health, optimizing mitochondrial performance and function, which can improve ATP. And I really love the fact that patients will claim that it improves their cognitive health, their clarity of thinking, and their brain fog. So check it out, ATP Boost at drjillhealth.com. Go get yours today.